Do you have to go on ours because Sarah's taking a shower? Wipe on your hand. Ow. Do you have AIDS? Dude, that looks deep.
No, don't.
Shit. You want some band-aids? I have door band-aids.
No, actually, I just need a paper towel.
Oh, man. Oops. See, that's why my goodness is supposed to fucking be that, man. Oh, excuse me. Go look at it. Let's get him some band-aids, Annabelle. Look how much pockets missing. Because he got boo-boo. Should he have a tattoo band-aid or a door band-aid? Dora? Give him a big one.
Where's the big one? There's no big one.
It's not close.
The big one's right here. You see the big one.
Come on, baby. Annabelle, let's go in the room.
Give him. Here.
It's not very big.
Did you wash it?
Annabelle, yeah. Put some of that.
Fuck, you need a doctor. That shit is deep. If I wasn't drunk, I would throw up on it. Let me see. There's a fucking hole in your hand. Oh my god. Look how fucking... Can you feel it? Probably because you have nerve damage in your fucking hand. Oh my god. Does it hurt? Stop it. Go have Karen look at it.
Fuck that.
You're actually gonna get in trouble, huh?
Come on, I gotta put you in that close. Where's my friend?
He's going to the... Oh, it's good because we have underwear all over the floor. Did you see his fucking hand?
Yeah.
There's a hole that can... Oh my
Why
god.
did you try to jump the fence?
When he was gone for like an hour already. Okay, not that long, but it seemed like it.
You could have went through the gate. You could have went through the gate. Alright, yeah.
You need some fucking gauze or something. You can't bleed all over the chick you're dancing on. Alright, make sure he keeps that napkin on it if he's gonna dance with some chick. It was nice to meet you. Y'all have fun, be careful, no more injuries. Oh my god, did you see that? Oh, sick. Oh, fucking Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, we were trained.